taking a movie of you, you goof. He says, good luck, Riley. You're gonna need it. He's pretty stubborn.
This is my tug of war. No one will ever.
You lay on the floor as he pulls you.
Yeah, if you lay down on the ground, he'll pull you around.
Lay on your back. Let him pull you.
Just hang on to it and lay on your back. You're too busy kissing him.
Stick him. Ow!
Ow, what? What happened?
Someone bit me.
Nobody bit you.
Huh?
Probably stepped on your hand, you
Probably
goof.
stepped on
No,
his
bit
foot.
me. I felt it.
Riley, it was a scratch. Grab the toy. He didn't bite. Probably was Destiny trying to kiss you. He pulls dogs around and way as much as you do.
Way more than him. Mm-hmm.
Destiny, go. Go. I want your name. I'm trying to. It's not working.
Because you have to play tug there. You can't just hold it.
Ah.
Yeah, just hold on to it.
Ow.
There you go. Now he's pulling. Get it, Rock. Get it, Rock. Get it, Rock. Get it, Rock. That boy, get it. That boy, get it, Rock. There you go. Get it, Rock. There you go. Get it, Rock. There you go. Get it, Rock. Destiny, stop it. Get it, Rock. Get it, Rock. Get it, Rock. Come on, get him, Rock. Come on, get him, Rock. Come on. Let's go, Rock. Get him, Rock. Destiny. Destiny, stop.
Destiny, stop. Yes.
Get him, Rock. Get him, Rock. Destiny.
Stop.
Shut up, Maya. Shush. Get him, Rock. Get him, Rock.
This is your.
Get him, Rock. Get him, Rock. Get him, Rock. Yeah, boy. Get him, Rock.